a new Minecraft. So sorry, I just deleted the 1.17. I don't know why did I delete it. But see, let's play a new Minecraft survival world. Let's go! Dang it, we don't have a village. Don't be mad at me, guys, because I just put... What the? Why is this glitching here? I hate it that's glitching. Wait a second. Oh, I know. So let's go, guys. Now we have some wood. Oh, dang it. Why am I logging always if I play Minecraft? I want to find a village. What? Oh, found a village! Guys, there's over there. There's a village. But Minecraft is believing, hearing at me. I found a village. I found a villager outpost. Let's go. I will live here, guys, because I love this. But we cannot go closer in the villager outpost as a villager. Villager. If I have more things, guys, I can do this. I will just take this house one here. Hey, this villager. I will put this one point. I will find iron golem. Where's the iron golem, guys? I don't know where's the iron golem. I found it. Why is he so slow? Why is she so... Why am I lagging? Guys, I'm lagging. Guys, I'm lagging this. Hold on, because I'm lagging always. There's a cute guy here. I want to find the blacksmith. Do you know what's blacksmith? I need to go over there because I think there's more iron. Hey, villager. I found this. We can use this, guys. We need this in our home. more food. Give me this because I need this. Where are we? I don't get it. Where's the villager outpost? I think. Where did we start, guys? Here? Oh, I found our home. I found it. We're starting here. Wait a second. I need this. I think it's over there, guys. Oops. Where did we start? Oh, I found it. There's the villager outpost. There's my house. There's the villager outpost. There, I think my house be here. My house is a yellow bear. Let me eat because I'm so hungry. Yum, 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 yum.